almost done with insert. What else do we need to do in insert? Well, we've dealt with our base cases, but there's something else we need to worry about in insert, right? So we've dealt with our base cases, and now we've got to think about this. So what we're doing is, okay, so if we're trying to insert, let's say, some node C. Oh my God, come on, dude. Some node C, and you know what? I'm going to put actual numbers in here because at some point it's just going to get irritating for you to see symbols. What? Okay. Okay, how does this work? All right, well, all 5 knows is that this isn't null, okay, and that this isn't null. So 2 comes in and 5 goes, well, I can't attach you here. This is where I would attach you, but I already have a node there now, okay? So it's not null, left is not null, left shark is not null, okay? So what do I do? Well, just like we inserted 2 into this node, 5 looks at its left subtree and says, that's another tree. That's just like me. That's another tree. And it could go on forever. It could stop there. Frankly, it doesn't matter. I'm going to insert 2 on that tree. On that, I'm so sorry. On that tree with the value 3. And that's when I confused everybody. Okay, so I'm going to reinsert 2. So 2, we first inserted, tried to insert 2 at the root. The root said, okay, I don't have space, but that's where it goes. It should go on my left subtree somewhere. So I'm going to say insert 2 on my left subtree. Okay, and then 3, in this case, will have null there. Okay, but if 3 didn't have null there, if it had something attached to its left subtree, then 3 would say, oh, okay, so like 0 or something, right? 3 would say, attach it to my, or they would call this thing on it. So the idea here is that when it's not null, and if that's the place it goes, we've got to recurse on it, okay? So let's say if data to insert, right, and here we can say, so if data insert and left equals null, right? Otherwise we can, I'm just gonna write it all out. I know there's a cooler way to do this, but we'll is less than data.hashcode. I just want to make it clear. And left does not equal null, right? Then we can recurse, okay? Recurse left, all right? And I also want you to come up with the case where you recurse right, okay? And if you're able to do those things correctly, we should be able to see you insert more of these things, maybe all of these things, and get the numbers from 701 all the way up to 70010, 70010. Hey, next video, you BTS BST fans.